Welcome to Sharp Skills, where we make WordPress easy. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a scrollable header in WordPress. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging. First, let's understand what a scrollable header is. It is a design element that changes as you scroll down a web page, adding a touch of interactivity and modern aesthetics to your website. Let me show you a example. You see, and when I scroll down, there is another header appears. So in this tutorial we will learn how to do that. When we scroll up, there is another header. When we scroll down, another header appears. Now let's do that. First of all, go to the templates, click theme builder, and from there select your header that you want to design. From here select your header. So currently I want to design that header. When I scroll down, there would be another header appears. So let's do that. First of all, duplicate the entire section. After you duplicate the entire section, go to the first header. In advanced tab, give it a bottom negative margin like 66 and give it a index number, any index number. Then go to the other section that you duplicate and also give it a same bottom margin and give it a not 60 but 66 and give it an index number higher than the first header, like I'm gonna add it like 777 and then give it a class like sticky header without dot. Then the next step is you need to add some CSS here, and that is given in the description. Go to the custom CSS and paste that code. I want that header sticky, so go to the motion effects. From here select sticky as top like that and give it a effects offset like 200. You see, when we scroll down, the other header appears. So now just give another header a beautiful background color like like that. Click on update, then preview your header. The header is not completely showing because now I'm logged in and because of this bar, that's why. You can check your header in another browser. Like that you want to check your header, so just check on another browser or go here and so congratulations, you have successfully created a scrollable header in WordPress. It is a fantastic way to enhance your website visual appeal and user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.